Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens IKON here, showing you how to make your Ariens IKON XD zero-turn mower drive straight. Sometimes a zero-turn mower can fall out of adjustment, causing it to track to the left or to the right and drive outside of a straight line. But these problems can be fixed easily with a couple quick adjustments that can be done in your own garage. Now, as always, let's have a look at the safety section in our operator's manual before we start these adjustments. Start by checking your rear tire pressures on both sides of the unit to ensure they're equal. If the tire pressures aren't equal, adjust the tire pressures to match while keeping them within their recommended pressure ranges of between 9 and 11 psi. Also check the front tire pressures and adjust them to be equal if necessary. The recommended pressure range for the front tires is between 38 and 46 psi. If your unit still doesn't drive in a straight line after adjusting the tire pressures, you can try adjusting the speed bolts. In front of each steering arm, there's a small bolt that can be adjusted to control the maximum speed of the drive wheel on that side of the unit. If your unit drives toward the left, loosen the jam nut on the speed bolt and turn the bolt counterclockwise. This allows the steering lever to travel farther forward, increasing the maximum wheel speed on that side. If you want to restrict the steering lever travel distance and slow the left drive wheel, turn the bolt clockwise. Once the adjustment is complete, tighten the jam nut. If your unit drives toward the right, loosen the jam nut on the right speed bolt and turn the bolt counterclockwise to increase the wheel speed on that side. To slow the right drive wheel, turn the bolt clockwise. Once your adjustment is complete, tighten the jam nut. If you adjusted the speed bolts, remember to also adjust your steering levers so they align. Now that's all for today, but if these adjustments didn't fix the problem, take your unit to your nearest Ariens dealer, which can be found at ariens.com/dealers. And as always, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.